wish I was in Lombok already, painting that beautiful waterfall. Can't wait.
Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad. I think this might help.
Let's hope it's warmer in Lombok than it is here. We've arrived at the waterfall. We're going to Tiu Kelep. That's Sendang Waterfall there. And it's about 35 minutes in that general direction. So let's go. So here we go. About to go to Tiu Kelep Waterfall.
And Sendang Gile Waterfall.
There's a little monkey. Hey buddy. On the way down to Tiu Kelep.
You've been dreaming about this moment for ages, haven't you, Phil?
Yep, 100%. Another dream, another paradise. Another paradise. How awesome is this? This is what I do. I paint amazing landscapes around the world. Lombok, Waterfall, Tiu Kelep. Does it get any better? I don't know. Let me know in the comments.
The painting is very beautiful. Thank you.
My big brush now. Actually, I'll just dip it in the water over here. Just watch this. Okay, so here I am in Sendang Gile, which is in Lombok, of course, not far from where we were before, the Tiu Kelep. And I thought this would be an awesome one to paint because it's got some lovely perspective. And look at the light. The light coming through these trees at the moment is absolutely fantastic. So, too good to pass up. So I thought I'll just lift this one in as a basis. Probably going to run out of light to finish the painting on site, but we can give it a damn good go. So I'm going to use this big brush. And yeah, a bit of brunswick green and a bit of whatever was left on my palette from last time. There it is there. So what we'll do, I want to capture that top of the hill there, about there somewhere. Then it comes down like that, and then it comes all the way to the bottom, and this wall comes out here like that. So then there's a beautiful tree, this tree here, that one here will be the main feature of the painting. I know it's a waterfall, yeah, you know, we know that, but if we put the tree in about there, that'll give you some guidelines as to where to go. So here's the tree, and that edge there will be the other side of it. But I want to bring it in a little bit so I can still get a lot of the other structures. So I think there part to there will be those line and that line. And then that'll be that one, that'll be the top one, and then the sky's up here somewhere. So, yeah, let's get into it. Ready to go for another one. Enjoy. To the top of the mountain. Let's go.